I feel that every road led me to Canada. When I was a kid, I loved to paint and to draw. My parents got me into painting lessons when I was around like 8 years old. And it became like such a passion that at some point, all the art that was in my house was done by me. Back in Colombia, I was doing a bachelor's in industrial design. And halfway through the program, I realized that even though I really like design, my passion was more driven to the graphic world. What I really liked about Humber was the exposure that we had in the program to real agency briefs. It was very focused on putting up work that would be meeting the standards of any industry ad campaign. My journey actually started during Humber. So in my last semester, I was required to do an internship. So I applied for the Summer Squad program in 2023. I was selected as one of the 17 interns for that summer among 1,500 applicants. I started my whole internship that lasted 4 months. And by the end of it, I just had the conversations with my manager. I told her how happy I was with everything that I was doing and how much I've been learning during the process as well. I started a full-time job right after my internship ended in August 2023. So by September, I was a full-time designer in the shopper marketing team here at Salt. After 2 years of being in the team, now I've been promoted to senior designer. The thing that I enjoy most about my job is actually getting to see something that I've worked on in the wild. So whether it is like down a grocery store aisle or in the Sankofa Square, the main intersection in Toronto, or even at the movies in the cinema. Really going places and seeing something that I was a part of really excites me. Ever since I came to Canada, it's been such an amazing experience. I just make the most out of it. Like the city is amazing. You have like so many things going on, so many cultural events, so many concerts. So I just try to do as much as I can, visit new restaurants, try new food. Just hang out with my friends as well. Like I've been able and lucky enough to build such a beautiful community here. So looking back, it's been such an amazing journey. I'm still learning so much. I still know that I want to improve in so many other areas, but I'm really proud of what I've accomplished so far. Going through college, getting my internship, landing a full-time job, and now becoming a senior designer in Toronto really is a dream come true, and every day I'm really happy about that.